Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw USDT from OKX to bank account. For that, you just have to launch your OKX mobile application and then you need to tap on this square icon in the top left hand corner. Once done, you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see a bunch of different options. But among these options, you need to tap on P2P trading. Once done, you will be redirected on the P2P page where by default you will be in this buy section. But as you want to transfer your USDT, you just have to sell them first. In order to do this, you will have to select it as sell. After that, you will have to make sure that your currency is also set correct. As I live in India, INR is showing to me in the top right hand corner, but if your currency is not showing in this section, then you will have to tap on the drop arrow button and you will have to select the right currency according to your country. Then you need to select the payment method. In order to select it, you need to tap on the payment methods tab, and here you will be able to see a bunch of different payment methods for which you can apply. Now, as you want to add the payment in your bank account, you will have to select bank transfer and then you need to tap on apply in the bottom. After that, you just have to provide your banking details like your bank account number, IFSC code and a bunch of other information relating to your bank account. After adding your bank account, you will be able to see the sell button right next to it where you are seeing unqualified right now. So you just have to select the merchant and then you just have to press sell. After entering the amount, you just have to conclude your payment. And after waiting for some time, you will be able to get your USDT from OKX to your bank account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.